Hello people, the BMW R1250 RS is undeniably the ultimate grand tourer money can buy. It effortlessly combines high-speed performance with a comfortable riding position and top-tier safety features, however at a higher price point. Recent sales trends are showing a shift towards adventure bikes, and there's a good reason for it. Modern adventure bikes offer even more comfortable sitting position than GT bikes, good on-road performance and the promise of off-road capability. However, don't count out the grand touring motorcycles just yet. I'm a fan of MotoGP racing, but I'll be honest, I have never been a fan of sport-oriented bikes, mainly because of their forward-leaning position behind the handlebar. But the GT setup of the RS changed my perspective. Riding the RS, I felt in complete control, forming an unbreakable connection with the machine. It pushed me to explore beyond my comfort zone. The RS holds its line well, providing stability in almost all riding conditions. This BMW is packed with a 6.inch TFT color display with Rider Modes Pro, including Dynamic Pro and Dynamic modes, alongside Road and Rain modes, Dynamic Traction Control and ABS Pro. It also has active electronic suspension, a quick shifter, cruise control, also tire pressure monitor, keyless ignition and so on and so on. The BMW R1250 RS is a fantastic blend of sporty handling, agile cornering, and the ability to take two of you and all your holiday gear on a long motorcycle trip. The engine performance is truly exceptional, responding eagerly to even the gentlest throttle input. The Boxer engine delivers robust top-end power, all while giving off that sweet, deep exhaust note. I was impressed with the RS performance. Also, it's important to note that the BMW R1250 RS is a real head-turner. People love its looks, its performance, and the advanced technologies it offers. The one drawback though is the price. It's on a higher side. But let's say the R1250 RS deserves a place in BMW's lineup and also in riders' hearts. It may not be the fastest or the lightest, but it offers plenty of speed and lots of riding pleasure. When you get behind the wheel of this motorcycle, you get the feeling that you are riding a motorcycle that can be fast, but at the same time completely predictable, and above all you get a feeling of safety. You rarely get that feeling on a motorcycle. Well done BMW. So if you enjoyed this review, please consider hitting the like button, leaving a comment to share your thoughts and subscribing to stay updated with more motorcycle reviews and adventures. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching.